beautiful day out here in San Diego. I'm gonna take you guys over to the San Diego Convention Center Stairs. Show you how to do a stairs workout to really shred body fat. Let's go. So guys, we're here at the San Diego Convention Center Stairs, getting ready to do 10 sets up and back down again. I'm gonna switch it up between single steps, double steps, maybe some side laterals, maybe some hop, jumps up 3 or 4 steps. Gotta keep it changing. Let's go. It's 100 steps. So let's find ourselves a little quiet space, put the bag down, get to work. And I have my polar heart rate monitor on. I always like to put this on when I'm doing stairs. My heart rate's already going a little bit because I've been up and down the stairs. For my warm up, 97, so that's good. Let's hit the bottom of the stairs and let's move. First series, we're gonna be doing double steps up.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Heart rate is going down on a Tuesday. Basically, my heart rate takes me, get back down to 120. It's about 40 seconds to a minute. So the quicker your heart rate drops, the better cardio shape you are in. Once that hits about 125, we go back up.
The highway and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today, link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode. Make sure you have your water with you. It's about 80 degrees right now, so it's pretty hot. Make sure you're replenishing. Stay hydrated for your workouts to give maximum output during your workouts.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change.
Oh man, those squat jumps will get you. I'm at 173, if you can see that. Gotta let that heart rate come down to around 120. So to figure out your heart rate zones, hard to talk. 220 minus your age. Multiply that by 0.9, 0.85, or 0.80, wherever your fitness level is. And I'll multiply that by 0.6, 0.65, 0.7 for your lower end. That's where you want to be on your high, and that's where you want to be to wait to get down to your low. So that's when you know your body's ready to give max effort to go back for your next high intensity sprint.
Go, 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 still go, 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 slow, go, still go, go, still hope, go, still go. I never answer no, no, still go.
That right there, guys, is the workout. See it on my heart rate monitor. 25 minutes, 324 calories burned. That's why I love using a heart rate monitor as well, because it lets me know when I have to go and it lets me know when I have to rest. So I'll share the link for my polar down there. This is like an old school heart rate monitor watch. I think you can still get it from Amazon. Get it in, get it fast, get it done, get on with your life. So if any of you guys are in San Diego, you want to get in a stairs workout with me and I'm around, I say let's get it in. Like, let's meet up, let's meet at the bottom of the stairs, and let's crush a workout together. Let's show San Diego what the Goofy Nation has in store. If you guys want to join, comment below if you're in San Diego. Let's get it done.
They tell me that I'm